Chapter 7. Emergency Procedures. Engine failure. Exceeding VNE. A. Reduce airspeed slowly. B. Continue flying using gentle control deflections. C. Land safely as soon as possible. D. Have aircraft verified for airworthiness. Questions. Question number 1. What should you do to reduce airspeed when exceeding VNE? A. Increase throttle. B. Reduce airspeed slowly. C. Maintain current speed. D. Decrease angle of attack. Question number 2. How should you continue flying after reducing airspeed when exceeding VNE? A. Using abrupt control deflections. B. Using gentle control deflections. C. Using no control deflections. D. Using maximum control deflections. Question number 3. What should you do after reducing airspeed and continuing to fly gently when exceeding VNE? A. Increase altitude. B. Land safely as soon as possible. C. Perform aerobatic maneuvers. D. Turn off the engine. Question number 4. What should you do after landing safely when exceeding VNE? A. Restart the engine. B. Have aircraft verified for airworthiness. C. Increase throttle. D. Perform a pre-flight check. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.